Hello everyone. Today we'll make two types of Maggi. First is garlic masala Maggi and the second one is Tandoori Mayonnaise Maggi. Let's start with the amazing garlic masala Maggi. So first we'll take a bowl. So we'll add around half teaspoon of chili powder, half teaspoon of coriander-cumin powder, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric, salt to taste, and grate 3 garlic cloves. And finally add Maggi masala and a splash of water to make a smooth paste. Next, we'll take a pan, heat 2 tablespoons of butter, then add chopped green chilies and onion and saute for a minute. Next, toss in our colorful green and orange bell pepper and juicy tomatoes. Saute until they are soft. Further add our masala paste and mix it all. Let those spices cook and combine. Now pour in around 1.5 cup of water. Add the Maggi noodles and let them cook. Once the Maggi is cooked, you will see the noodles go from plain to packed with flavors. And finally, we'll top with a generous layer of grated cheese and a touch of more butter for the perfect finish. And there you have it, your garlic masala Maggi, ready to devour. This rich butter, fresh veggies and that signature garlic masala make it a dish to remember. Now let's start with a flavorful twist on classic Maggi, that is Tandoori Mayonnaise Maggi. First we'll start by boiling your Maggi noodles. Once they are cooked but still firm, set it aside. In another pan, we'll add 2 tablespoons of butter. Once it's melted, then add around 2 tablespoons of onion, 2 tablespoons of green and orange bell pepper, 2 tablespoons of sweet corn and 2 tablespoons of tomatoes. Saute everything well until the vegetables are softened. Then add a splash of water and sprinkle in that Maggi masala. Stir it all up so the spices coat those veggies perfectly. Now for that creamy magic, add around 2 tablespoons of tandoori spread and 1.5 tablespoons of mayonnaise. This blend of tandoori and mayo brings that extra flavor kick and creaminess. Mix it all in until it's nice and combined. Now add the boiled Maggi along with a bit of extra water and let it cook. Once the sauce is thickened, the noodles will soak up all those incredible flavors. Finally, sprinkle some chili flakes and oregano on top for that extra burst of taste and spice. And there you have it, creamy, flavorful tandoori mayo Maggi. This tandoori mayonnaise Maggi brings together creamy, spicy and smoky flavors all in one bowl, perfect for a quick, indulgent treat. Enjoy and subscribe for more interesting recipes.